Good morning, students. Hope you are all well by the grace of God. Please stay at home and be safe. We must fight against coronavirus and hope we will overcome such hard time. Now, I am going to narrate a poem taken from class 7, The Vagabond, written by Stevenson. আমি তোমাদের এখানে ক্লাস 7 থেকে নেওয়া একটি কবিতা দ্য ভ্যাগাবন্ড সম্বন্ধে একটু আলোচনা করছি। তোমরা মন দিয়ে শোনো এবং শোনার সময় বইটা কাছে রাখবে। দ্য ভ্যাগাবন্ড is such type of poem where the poet presents a certain philosophy of life of some particular people who follow a carefree life, living the comforts of life at home, lures of wealth and love. ভ্যাগাবন্ড যাযাবর, যাদের কোনো নির্দিষ্ট আস্থানা নেই, এরকম একটা বিশেষ ধরনের সম্প্রদায় যারা এখানে সেখানে ঘুরে বেড়ায়, যাদের ধন সম্পত্তির কোনো লোভ তাদেরকে আকর্ষিত করতে পারে না, যারা নিজের স্বাধীনভাবে জীবনকে কাটাতে ভালোবাসে, তাদেরই বলা হয় ভ্যাগাবন্ড। This poem is of 4 stanzas and each stanza consists of 8 lines. এই কবিতাটা 4টে স্ট্যাঞ্জায় বিভক্ত এবং প্রতিটা স্ট্যাঞ্জায় 8টা করে লাইন, অর্থাৎ এই কবিতাটা 32 লাইনের কবিতা। Now I am going to narrate the first stanza. Please listen. ভালো করে শোনো। আমি প্রথম স্ট্যাঞ্জাটা বলছি। Give to me the life I love. The poet actually wants or prays for a certain life that he wants. He wants to lead a carefree life. Let the lab go by me. He wants the stream to flow past him. Give the jolly heaven above. He wants the snowy sky over his head and the byway nigh me. And he wants a small road passes near him. Again, I am going to narrate. Bed in the bush with stars to see. The vagabond or the poet will sleep in the bushy bed under the starry sky, the sky full of stars. Theirs is the life for a man like me. There is the life forever. It is because the vagabond or the poet himself wants to lead a life like this. He wants to lead a life forever. Understand the first stanza? Now, second stanza. Let the blow fall soon or let. The vagabond or the poet is not afraid of troubles and death. He is fearless. He is not afraid of troubles that may fall on him. Let what will be over me. He never fall. He never afraid. If any troubles or any danger comes on him. Give the face of earth around. He wants to see the face of earth all around. And the road before me. Wealth I seek not, hope nor love, nor a friend to know me. He does not bother for anything that may happen to him. He does not hanker after wealth or love or friendship. He always hankers after a carefree life. He never wants to lead a life full of comforts, luxuries, wealth, with friends. All I seek, the heaven above and the road below me. All he wants is the sky overhead and a road below his feet, and road should pass below his feet. The third stanza. Or let autumn fall on me, where afield I linger, slicing the bird on tree, silencing the bird on tree, beating the blue finger. Even in autumn, when the frosty field turns white with snowflake and birds stop their chirping on trees and frost beaten finger turns blue, he vows to remain under the sky. He wants to give up everything. He only wants to live a life under the open starry sky, under the close contact of nature. Not to autumn I yelled, not to winter even. Living comfortable shelter even in winter, he is determined to see or to stay out in close contact with open nature. The last stanza. Let the blow fall soon or late. Let what will be over me give the face of earth around. The poet, the vagabond, is not afraid of troubles and death. He does not bother anything that may happen to him. Give the face of earth around. He wants to see the face of earth all around him. And the road before me, he wants to pass the road. Wealth I ask not, hope nor love, nor a friend to know me. He does not hanker after wealth, love or friendship. All I ask, the heaven above and the road below me. All he wants is the sky over his head, a, and a road below his feet. Actually, the poet wants to lead a life that is free, and vagabond is such type of people who wants to lead a life free, full of all sorts of hazards, all sorts of household hazards.